What if I told you that you have a genie who can make all your wishes come true? Anything that you wish for, an amazing love life, a successful career and good health, and it will come true. That genie of your life is called your belief. Watch this video till the end and see how you can get anything and everything you wish for just by believing in it. Also, we're giving some free giveaways, which I will be talking about at the end of the video. You can use your beliefs to live a wonderful, prosperous, happy life, or you can use them to literally kill yourself. The law of belief states that whatever you believe and feel to be true long enough will become your reality. It means that whatever you subconsciously feel to be true in your inner world, in your thoughts, will always show up in your outer world as your experience. For example, Sarah, all her adult life, had the belief that she's not attractive. She tries her best to be stylish and to always put on a smile, but whenever she does, she feels uncomfortable about her appearance. Meanwhile, her identical twin Sophia grew up believing that she's above average. Whenever they are out together, Sophia always attracts attention from men. Even from across the room, men always pick Sophia as the one to approach. This always leaves Sarah wondering what men see in Sophia that they don't see in her. Why is it that everyone is attracted to Sophia and not to Sarah? It's because of their beliefs of what they think about themselves. Sarah believes that she is unattractive, and whenever she is out, her belief leads to negative self-talk like, "I wish I was attractive as the other women," or "I should have worn jeans." All this negative self-talk and her body language gives people the impression that she's unhappy, uncomfortable, or not interested. On the other hand, Sophia always believes that she looks above average. This belief of hers gives her the confidence to carry herself well. Her self-talk about her looks are on the lines of, "Black suits me more," or "I look more beautiful with my hair untied." All this positive talking and her body language gives people the impression that she's at ease with herself. The truth is you possess infinite power. The truth is the power of the entire universe is inherited in your life. You can do whatever you believe you can do and be whoever you want to be. This is only possible if you have an empowering belief. So how can you change a limiting belief into an empowering belief? The first step is identifying your belief. When you have a limiting or a negative belief, you will have emotions like anger, jealousy, or anxiety. These emotions will separate you from achieving whatever you want. Whenever you have any of these emotions, train yourself to identify the thought that is causing this emotion. Stay with this feeling for a little longer and concentrate on the thoughts that are running in your head. When you uncover these thoughts, write them down. Do not get lost in the thoughts, just write it down. If you feel that you can't identify thoughts associated with your emotion, simply imagine what thoughts could have produced it. Once you've made the list of your thoughts, write down the belief behind them. Write it down in a short and concise manner, such as, "I am not pretty enough," or "I am not worth it." Then step 2 is to examine your belief. After writing down the beliefs that are responsible for the thoughts, ask yourself how this belief has been impacting you. Ask yourselves questions like, in what way these beliefs prevented me from feeling ease in the world? How these beliefs stopped me from connecting with other people? How would my experience be if I didn't have these beliefs? Suppose, if you believe that you're not pretty, ask yourself what this belief has done to your confidence. How is it stopping you from connecting with other people? What would your experience be if you gave up the belief that you are not pretty? Step 3. Create your replacement belief. After becoming aware of all the harm your belief has done to you, you'll realize it's time to drop that belief. To drop the belief, you need to create a replacement belief. A replacement belief is an idea that comes from a place of love and not from a place of fear. It's not something you wish it was true, but it's something you believe is true. If you believe that you're not pretty, have a replacement belief like, "I feel pretty when I connect with people." Use this new replacement belief whenever you think about your looks. This will not only help you see in a more loving way, but will also allow you to be more confident when you connect with everyone. Step 4. Use this new replacement belief. Whenever you experience an emotion like jealousy, anxiety, or fear, trace it back to your old belief and concentrate on the replacement belief. Use these replacement beliefs to empower yourself, constantly reminding yourself that this new empowering belief will free you from the prison of a limiting belief. Because this new belief is just as true for you, and by simply believing in it will transform your experience. So, gather your courage and stop your thoughts from concentrating on bad things that are happening to you, and start believing in good, and good things will come to you. Do comment below with what you truly desire, and every month we'll be giving 5 different comments a book that will help you to achieve everything that you desire. If you feel we're adding a positive value in your life, then do like this video, and for more life-changing videos, subscribe to our channel and also like us on Facebook.